Hi, morning. So today we have this young guy, and he's at 7 months from his hair restoration with us. And I think when you came I think 7 months back, you were really skeptical about undergoing such procedures.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, and I think you came through a referral who had already
Yes.
undergone a procedure, and that's why you were a little confident about it.
In fact, there are a lot of misconceptions about this entire process, the process being risky, the process being, God knows what. But it was a very, very good experience. And in fact, it is 7 months right now, but then I must say I was very satisfied right after 3 months. The growth that I wanted to happen, it happened very, very quickly. The process itself was never a problem. The precautions that we have to take for a few days, probably that was the only challenging part, and that's quite acceptable. So it's all worth it. That's all I can say. Right precaution and right technology, probably that is needed.
So I'm going to show you the pictures later, but in his case, he had lost his entire hairline, yes, with a big loss of density in the frontal tuft, going all the way back to the mid scalp and the vertex. And if you look at it right now, yeah, you look at that hairline, that looks very natural. Yes, do you agree to that? Yeah?
Oh, definitely.
Yes. See how beautiful this density has come in. Yeah? You just can't figure out that this is a hair restoration done or there is a hair transplant. It just looks like, it's always been there, isn't it? So what do your friends or what do your relatives say about it?
Well, if you feel your appearance matters and it bothers you, how do you look? It's worth doing because they all have complimented me. They all have witnessed a good change in the hairline. And they also said that it was worth doing. It is making a good difference. So they are happy, so I am happy. That's all I can say.
So he has always been a very confident guy, irrespective of the hair. But I think getting the hair back has boosted that level of confidence.
Oh yes.
Yes.
In fact, I just wanted, if it is something that can help my appearance, then why not? Why should I let people judge me? Not that it bothers me, but then still, if it is something that technology can help, right medication can help, I should go for it.
Right. Now, one question which people generally have is, how much of pain is in the procedure, or do you see any side effects after the procedure? Which is something that you are the right person to answer because you have experienced, you have gone through it. Yes.
There was no pain during the process because they put you on this anesthesia, local anesthesia. So actually, it doesn't hurt you. The first anesthesia syringe, probably that is the only thing that you feel that is equivalent to the blood sample that you gave for a medical test. That's it. And then what they do to your head. I watched a movie during the process because the only challenging thing during the process, it's long, it takes some effort by the expert team. So you need to be a little patient. Usually we are restless. So I watched a movie, I played some songs so that I am entertained and they were doing that job.
So one thing important in this case is he still had some existing hair, right out here in the mid scalp, the frontal tuft, which needed to be retained. And I think he's been really committed to it, and he's been on a good protocol of PRP for his existing hair. Yes, because he's been made aware, and I think he's actually accepted the fact that if you do not take care of your existing hair, then they might go away, and the new hair might come in. So that's again going to come to ground zero. Yeah,
true.
Correct. So, what is that one thing you'd like to tell people who are skeptical about it, who are worried about it, and
I would say talk to the right people. You can trust me if you want to, or talk to the person who has gone through this. I'm sure it's not very difficult to find somebody who has gone through this process, and just learn through the experience, or talk to the right person like Dr. Anand or somebody whom you trust. It is new, but it is something that we should do. It will be a very common thing in very near future, I would say.
And trust me, this guy does his research well. Yeah, he's a very well-known tutor, and he's a teacher himself. And I think he doesn't do anything without research. Do you?
Never.
You know, right? Alright, so I'm happy that you're happy.
I'm happy.
I think that's what makes our day. Yes.
That's true.
And this is something which I tell all my patients, that do your research. Yeah. Just because someone tells you that there are some side effects to the procedure or someone's procedure went wrong, doesn't mean hair transplant is a wrong procedure. It's a bad procedure. It's a very good procedure with a very high success rate if done in the right way. You agree to that?
I agree.
Alright. Okay, thank you. Yeah.